Your Honor, if I could just correct the record very quickly.
Sure.
If anything Mr. Brennan just said was true, he might have an argument.
Before accusing somebody of getting it wrong, the person accusing should be right.
Some dramatic moments during a hearing today for Karen Read with the prosecutor and defense. You just saw there debating the evidence. We're now just days away from the start of Read's retrial. She, of course, charged with killing her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe. That hearing, though, was not the only one that took place today.
Another hearing concerned blogger Aidan Carney, known to many as Turtle Boy. He's facing charges of witness intimidation related to Read's case. NBC 10's Sue O'Connell is here. Lately, Sue, we've been getting courtroom news out of a fire hydrant. It's all coming at us. So what happened this morning? What were the fireworks all about?
So Special Prosecutor Hank Brennan, he's been alleging that Read provided information to Kearney that was used to intimidate witnesses, and Brennan wants to access more of Kearney's phone data, claiming it shows communication between Read and Kearney. Now, we expected that hearing to go like that, but during Turtle Boy's hearing, Read and her defense team entered the courtroom unexpectedly, and then Read's attorney Alan Jackson said they should be there. They should be present for all the proceedings. The judge in this case, Adam Siskey, he allowed them to stay and be heard. And then prosecutor Brennan claimed that Read admitted in the A Body in the Snow documentary that she communicated with Kearney. Now, Judge Siskey, he's going to rule soon on Brennan's request.
Okay, that was just a few hours this morning. There was a second hearing that lasted into the afternoon. Requests, motions, some answers for the Karen Read trial. Most, Judge Cannone was saying she'd take under advisement. What did get settled today?
So Judge Cannone denied the defense's request to delay the trial from April 1st until the end of the month. That's when the defense hopes to hear about her federal appeal, Karen's federal appeal to drop the murder charge. And then the prosecution has also added 3 of Read's defense attorneys to their potential witness list, and they say to authenticate Read's statements that she made in public, like on the documentaries and the TV show appearances. So it also, as we saw, got heated between the legal teams, and Cannone had to call for civility between the teams after these exchanges, requesting that they remove personal attacks from their arguments. But they're not done yet. As the day headed to a close, the conversation centered on whether Karen Read's defense can use that third-party defense, saying that someone else killed John O'Keefe. The prosecution then said the defense should name the suspects. So they did in open court, and we'll have more about that tonight on Canton Confidential.
That was big.
Another dramatic moment. Yeah, it was.
NBC 10 political commentator Sue O'Connell, thank you. We'll talk more about that, as you mentioned, on Canton Confidential tonight at 7.